In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the live dashboard in Meta Business Suite. If you're working inside Meta Business Suite and need to access your live dashboard, the good news is that it's a very quick process once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path so you can get there confidently and without wasting time searching through menus. To begin, make sure you're already logged into Meta Business Suite and looking at your main interface. Since the platform includes a lot of tools for managing pages, content, ads, and settings, it can sometimes feel a little crowded. That's why knowing the shortcut to the right section is especially helpful. From the main screen, look for the All Tools option. This is the menu that brings together the broader set of features available in Meta Business Suite. Go ahead and click on All Tools. When you open it, you'll see a panel or menu with additional options that may not be visible in the default view. This area is useful whenever you need to find a feature that isn't immediately shown on the main dashboard. After the All Tools menu opens, look through the available options until you find Live Dashboard. Once you see it, click on Live Dashboard to open it. That's it. After selecting it, you'll be taken directly to the Live Dashboard section in Meta Business Suite. This is the area you'll use when you want to monitor live-related activity and access the tools connected to that experience. A helpful tip here is to take a moment to notice where Live Dashboard appears within the All Tools menu, because Meta's layout can occasionally change slightly over time. Even if the design looks a little different in the future, the general process is usually the same. Open All Tools, then choose Live Dashboard. If you don't see the option right away, it may help to slowly scan the full menu instead of just looking at the first few items. Depending on your account access, business setup, or screen size, some menu items may appear in slightly different positions. Staying familiar with the All Tools section can save you time whenever you need to locate less commonly used features. So, to quickly recap, open Meta Business Suite, click All Tools, and then click Live Dashboard. It's a simple path, but knowing exactly where to go makes the process much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find the live dashboard in Meta Business Suite quickly and easily.